Hey everybody, happy holidays and welcome back. Today we're going to DIY a very cute diorama centerpiece or gift or decoration that has some vintage vibes and is just really cute and perfect for the holiday season. To begin, you'll need a box. I chose a box that came with headphones of mine because it had this clear window in the front. Next, you'll just need some kind of background. So I found this kind of art print in Airbnb magazine and I thought it was just really wintry and cool. I was going to print out like a generic winter scene from a stock photo site, but I thought this just made it a little more interesting. Hot glue your background to the back of the box inside. And as you go through, just make sure to keep checking through the front and make sure you like how everything looks. So next I took some packing foam and I thought it was a good texture for snow, especially because it was 2D, it could be layered on the front. When you glue something like this, keep in mind that some materials do melt, and my hot glue did start melting this piece of foam. Glue quickly and lightly and just place it in the box. Next you can start adding accessories, and I had a few things I wanted to try to experiment with, and I ended up choosing a bottle brush tree, which I hot glued in the bottom. And then some adorable miniatures that I found on Etsy. I'll link the shops in the description below. And then this vintage Barbie ornament, which I just thought was so sweet and ended up being perfect proportionately to the table. Be sure to glue any smaller miniatures that need to be assembled together before you put them in the box. And definitely allow ample drying time before you try to move the box around or shake it or anything so that your pieces aren't flying around. I'd say for hot glue, ample drying time would be even 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, I added just a few other details like these present boxes. And I strung up some fairy lights, which I will also link below. I ended up taping my switch to the back of the box so I could just easily flick the lights on and off. Finally, you'll need to cover the box. So I'm a really big fan of masking tape for its utility and its look. So I taped off the box from top to bottom, and once the box is taped off, you have sort of a clean surface. You can paint on top of it, you can Mod Podge sort of images or, scrapbook paper or whatever you want on top of it. Finally, I added some glass glitter around the rim of the window, and definitely making sure to have a big piece of paper underneath as I added the glitter so I could save the excess glitter and add it back into the jar at the end. And once you're done, you can, take a look, see if you want to add any more accessories. I ended up adding a little wreath to my doll's hand, additional little bottle brush trees, and just a few little things here and there. And that's it. Now you have an adorable centerpiece or gift that has some major vintage vibes and is just really sweet and fun and creative. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this DIY. Be sure to subscribe if you liked it. I'll be posting more DIYs and Vlogmas episodes every single day until Christmas and probably after that too. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you soon.